How to turn on TikTok restricted mode. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that this application is up to date. Now, once you open your TikTok application, what you want to do is to simply click profile here. So once you tap this profile, the next thing to do is to simply tap this three lines at the top right corner. So what you want to do here is just simply look for settings and privacy. So let me tap it again and then look for settings and privacy. Now, once you tap settings and privacy, what you want to do next is to simply scroll down, look for content and display, and then tap this content preferences, and then tap restricted mode. And as you can see here, restricted mode limit videos that may be inappropriate for some people. If you find an inappropriate video in restricted mode, report it to help us improve. Turn the setting on and off at any time. So once you tap that one, you can now set the passcode to turn on. Tap next. And then after that, you have to repeat it again. So confirm your password, tap next. And that's it. When you go back to your TikTok application or home, you can see here restricted mode. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.